Hello, welcome to Universe Science Lab. On my last video, I solved five questions under quadratic equation. And at the end of the video, I promised to use calculator and do the solving. So on quadratic equation is very simple, just fixing the value. How to use calculator and solve a quadratic equation without going through those steps that I saw because I took time to solve it step by step. And if you did not watch the video, go back to my channel. The video is there to five different examples of quadratic equation, how to solve it. I solved them and dropped in the group. So I'm here to fulfill my promise that I promised to solve the quadratic equations using calculator. The five quadratic equations that I took time to solve it using calculator. Just fixing the values in calculator and it will give you an answer. And I'm using here the Casio calculator, and many people knows the calculator. So what I'm going to do here is to fix in the value, show you how to fix in the value of these quadratic questions to give you the answer at once without going through those processes. So here you have to come here, click on set mode, setup. Here on top is mode, here is setup. Click there, and you see the number 5 is the quadratic. Number 1 here is COMP, and number 3 is STAT, which is statistics, and number 2 is complex, and this number 3 is the quadratic. That's the short form of number 5 is quadratic, and that's the short form of quadratic. Then you click on number 5 on your calculator, which is the quadratic, and it gets you to this. The word quadratic we are going to solve is raised to power is normal quadratic raised to power 2. Yeah, x raised to power 2, and the second one, the third one is c. Then you click on number 3. Then it will take you to this particular place. Then you fix in the value x. See, x here is 1. This x raised to power 2 is 1, but it's not being written here. Anytime you see x, normal x raised to power 2, know that the x is 1. So you just come to your calculator, press 1. The only way you can enter another value in the b part, which is this is the b part, the only way you can enter it is when you come to your calculator, press equals to, you take you to the next place, then you fix in the value, which is 5. Your b is minus 5 rather. You click minus and 5, minus 5. Then you press equals to again. Equals to take you to the third one. The third one is 6 plus 6. Then you click 6. Sorry, yeah, you click 6. Then after clicking 6, when you press the first time equals to, it will not give you the answer immediately. You have to press the equality sign again. Press the second time, it will give you x1 equals to 3, positive 3. Then you press the equality sign again, it will give you x2 is equals to 2. And that's it for number 1. But so to solve number 2, we have to do the same. We have to fix in the values, then press equals to the equality sign 2 times, and the answer will come out. Let's do the number 2 now. Let's do it together. The x here is 1. X squared is 1. You write 1 is equals to, and you shift to the other side, plus 7. You write 7 equals to the equality sign, and this one is plus 10. You write there 10 equals to, you click the equality sign 2 times so that it gives you the answer. So x1 is equals to minus 2, and x2 equals to minus 5. If you want to know whether it's correct, go to my last video, the last video that I dropped. Go and check. You see how I solve it step by step. But that one I wrote it x is equals to minus 2, or x equals to minus 5. It's still the same thing. It's still the same thing. This is this x1 and this is the x2. It's still the same thing. That this is how I wrote the in on the one that I was solving. I put or I did not write x1 and x2. But this one I'm writing x1 and x2. It's the same thing. Please don't be confused. When you go and check that one, check the normal step on how to solve it. I'm using this one in case some people that are doing engineering mathematics, they do have something that this quadratic equation, something that they don't even need to waste time on solve. They just want to know the value, then fix in there and continue with other solvings like the one they some people use product rule while solving something under the first order of differentiation, stuff like that. They are second order of differentiation. There's a quadratic equation there, you need to solve it and move on. So that's why I'm showing you how to use calculator, so that when you go to that place you understand, you not waste up to 10 minutes in that particular question. So moving on to another one. Moving on to another question, which is number 3. We have here the x squared is 2, input 2 is equals to, and this one is minus 7 equals to, and this one is 3. You write 3. How many times did I press 3? Just one 3 is equals to, press it 2 times, so x1 is equals to 3, and x2 equals to, press it again the second time, and x2 will give you 1 over 2. On that, the one that I solved earlier, this 1 over 2, I write it first before writing 3. So no matter how, whether this one is x1, you can even write x1 equals to 1 over 2, x2 equals to 3. It's still the same. While solving, it's still the same. There's no difference between this one and this one. It's still the same. So moving on to number 4. If you go and check it very well, you see that I'm still having the same answers with the one I solved normally and the one that I use calculator to solve. Everything is the same, no difference. And moving on to number 4, we have x here is 1 is equals to, this one is minus 4, minus 5, minus 5 equals to, then it will bring out here x1 equals to 5. Press the equality sign again the second time to give you x2 equals to minus 1. That's it. Then move to the number 5 question, which is x is 3 equals to, this one is 1, x squared was 3, normal x is 1, then, and this one is minus 2 is equals to, this is exactly what I had when I was solving normal solving. It is exactly what I had when I was doing normal explanation, and this one is just using calculator to show you how you can do it very fast in exams, or if you don't want to go through the processes, or if there's no time for you to go through the processes. I've already dropped the video that the one that I was solving. So I promise to drop this video how to use calculator and solve it in exams so very fast. So I just want to fulfill my promise. Thank you for watching, and always come around. I will be posting videos on the differentiation, integration, engineering mathematics, and especially under electrical engineering. I will be posting video on that. Thank you for watching.